Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's episode, I will demonstrate how to set up a proxy in TexAu. This social media application is designed to automate repetitive tasks and help businesses attract new customers. Let's begin with the setup process. Let me show you an example of how to set up the browser version. Start by navigating to texau.com and signing in. Look for the user icon in the upper right corner and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In the Account section, click on Proxy. Click on Add Proxy to add a new proxy server. Enter the required information in the fields provided, including the proxy name, IP, and port. You may also need to enter a username and password if you have a private proxy. If you have a free proxy, you can leave these fields empty. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on Check Proxy to verify the configuration. If the proxy is active, select the social media platforms you wish to work with, and then save the proxy settings by clicking on Add Proxy. You have successfully configured the proxy, and your connection is now secure. I also want to remind you that working with free proxies is not safe, does not guarantee anonymity, and will lead to blocking. To remain anonymous on the network and be sure of your security, it is recommended to purchase a private proxy, and there is an advanced proxy provider, Proxy-Seller.com. You get 100% anonymity on the network and security, a performance guarantee for the chosen purpose, and 24/7 customer support service. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.